Hello and welcome to EVERBEE London. I'm Elle and I'm back with another quick gardening tip. Have you ever visited your local garden centre and walked past the bargain plant section? Next time, don't. I recently purchased 4 daffodil planters with flowers which were well past their sell-by date. The varieties purchased were Ice Follies, 2 planters of those, and 1 of each of Dutch Master, which are fast becoming one of my favourite daffodils, and Tate. The flowers were so old they were beginning to form seed heads. These are removed as I want the plants to concentrate their energy away from forming seeds and into forming strong, healthy bulbs. And that's the point. Daffodils are perennial plants, which means, with care, they should last in the garden for years to come. Another added advantage is that I'm certain of what will come back next year, whereas buying bulbs can sometimes throw up the odd rogue daff. Regular viewers also know that earlier this year I became a little stressed trying to beat the last of the winter weather and plant out 150 daffodil bulbs in time for a spring show. The results so far are absolutely worth it. However, I want to introduce more daffodil varieties into the garden whilst avoiding the stress and expense. Oh, and did I mention that the planters only cost 50p each? My spring 2020 daffodil planting is already underway. I hope you found this gardening tip useful. Thanks very much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and until next time, happy gardening. Bye for now.